What do we mean by means of communication? Let us see. What are some means of communication? Letters are a means of communication. Telephone, radio, television, mobile, and the newspaper. These examples or these devices are all what we call means of communication. Letters, telephone, radio, television, mobile, newspaper. We use them. We use letters, telephone, radio, television, and mobile to stay in touch with someone we like, or to stay in touch with, with our colleagues at work, with our boss, with our co-workers, or even with our friends and family. Letters, telephone, radio, television, mobile, newspaper. Here we also have some means of communication. A letter, رسالة. An email, phone call. Call means اتصال. Voicemail, text message, رسالة نصية. Social networking, memo, online chat, mail. Mail means البريد, and post means also البريد. Now, in the USA, in America, they use mail. In the UK, في بريطانيا, they use post. Note, ملاحظة. Letter, email, phone call, voicemail, text message, social networking, memo, online chat, mail or post, and a note. They are all a means or some means of communication. They help us communicate with each other.